Hi guys, this is Shrujita Day and you are watching me on Nation Next. If you want to get more updates about me and other actors, so please subscribe here below and comment.
Hello everybody, my name is Amar Jaju and you're watching Dialogue at Nation Next. Today we have an actress with us who started her career way back in 2008 with the popular TV show Kasauti Zindagi Ke. After that she starred in several popular TV shows like Uttaran, Nazar. You have seen her most recently in the web series Naxalbari. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shrujita Day with us. Thank you Shrujita
Namaskar.
for being with us on this show Dialogue at Nation Next.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
First of all, Shrujita, I would like to ask you, this is the first time we have come to Pench in Madhya Pradesh. What brings you here?
So it's my fiance's birthday. आज उनका बर्थडे है तो मैं कुछ प्रॉपर्टी सर्च कर रही थी क्योंकि हमेशा हम लोग हिल्स में जाते हैं या बीचेस पे जाते हैं लाइक एन्जॉइंग द रियल वाइल्ड लाइफ वो हमने अभी तक किया नहीं था और हमें करना था टू एन्जॉय वाइल्ड लाइफ सो आई कॉल माई फ्रेंड रोहन एंड आई हैड फ्यू ऑप्शंस इन माई हेड एंड आई वॉज आस्किंग हिम कि ये रिसोर्ट पे जाए वहाँ पे जाए ये वाइल्ड सेंचुरी पे जाए या जिम कॉर्बेट पे जाए कहाँ पे जाए एंड फाइनली वी वांटेड टू सी टाइगर्स and he suggested me okay come to Tathastu and go for Pench wildlife and it's amazing and 90% chances है कि तुझे टाइगर दिखेगा ही दिखेगा so that brings us draws us here.
You know, you are staying at Tathastu, which is one of the premium resorts in Pench. So how has the overall experience been during your stay here?
Honestly, it has been really amazing since the time we came. The warm hospitality, the way they welcomed us, it was so beautiful. Proper, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है Indian traditional way जो आरती होता है अपना to cleanse your aura, नमस्कारम के साथ entry करना. So that was the entry, very warm welcome. उसके बाद हम लोग lunch किए. The food is, I have to say, it's so good. You had lunch with us today, so you must be knowing. The food is so good, so good. Even they make continental, Indian, Chinese, Pan-Asian and stuff like that. So food was really good. And after food, immediately we jumped into the safari and we went to Pench Wildlife Sanctuary. And honestly, there we spotted tiger, and not once. हमने दो बार tigers देखे. So then deers, monkeys, peacocks, and other animals as well. Then after we came back, we had an amazing dinner setup. Today in the morning, we had a lovely spa, very good therapist, lovely experience in the spa. After spa again. लंच तो हम खाए जा रहे हैं और रिलैक्स किए जा रहे हैं और एंजॉय किए जा रहे हैं अब तक तो इट्स रियली नाइस.
So, you know, basically the name of the resort is Tathastu. It's almost like, you know, the resort has said Tathastu, you'll see the tigers today for the first time that you are here. You know, it's a lot of wildlife lovers from in and around Nagpur will agree that, you know, not many are lucky that, you know, they see the tigers on their very first time, you know, while being at a wildlife sanctuary here at Pench. So, when you saw those two tigers, I think you saw two tigers when you went in with Michael. So, how was the whole experience like?
I really felt such a beautiful animal. I was constantly asking the guide, मैं नीचे उतर सकती हूँ, मैं नीचे उतर सकती हूँ. तो उसने बोला हाँ मैडम उतर तो जाइए और आगे भी चले जाइए पर रिटर्न का मुझे कोई गारंटी नहीं है. So I really felt like it's so beautiful looking creature tiger is. तो मुझे देख के डर से ज़्यादा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था wow, like that whole adrenaline rush, proper adrenaline rush, and I was like feeling wow, and I really felt like going down and just to see him very close, the closest I could, though he was what like 40 meters away from us. We got some amazing pictures. Michael was thrilled. For him it was he's from Germany, so he's like tigers are not very often there. So tiger is something कि हम कोई जू में देखते हैं या कोई पार्क में देखते हैं, not like in real wild life. So he was thrilled. He had an amazing time and it's his birthday, so I'm very happy that Tathastu arranged everything so nicely. वही आपने जैसे बोला तथास्तु, आपको सारे लक मिल गया और आप पहली बारी में ही आपको टाइगर के दर्शन हो जाएंगे.
Your friend Rohan Purohit played an important role of bringing you here. Rohan is from Nagpur, so you know he's very well versed with what goes around in Pench and the jungles in and around Nagpur.
That's why I asked him, because मुझे लगा कि उनसे मुझे clear idea मिलेगा, या he has some experience, तो कहाँ पे रुकना है, कौन से national forest में जाना है. So he gave good ideas and good thoughts, and now I feel, yeah, it's really worth it.
One thing that I would like to ask you, as I said earlier as well, that you started your career pretty young. I mean, you started in 2008, and so tell me, how did acting happen to you?
So honestly, मैंने कॉलेज में या स्कूल में कभी एक्टिंग नहीं किया. I was always a dancer. Like जैसे बंगाली हर फैमिली में होता है कि डांसिंग स्कूल में बच्चों को भेजना, डांसिंग सीखना. सो आई एम लाइक प्रोफेशनल कथक डांसर. सो आई लर्न कथक एंड आई नेवर थॉट दैट आई वुड बिकम एन एक्टर, ऑनेस्टली. I came to Bombay to do Bachelors of Mass Media, which was quite famous in Bombay and Delhi that time, and I wanted to become a choreographer in dancing. तो मुझे dancing profession में शायद career pursue करना था along with my studies. I came when I was 16 and a half or 17, after 17 actually, after my 12th. तो आने के बाद पता नहीं dancing से कैसे मैं actor बन गई. So in college, what happens? Friends come and they say, पता है बालाजी में ना ऑडिशन चल रहा है. अरे संक्रमण करके स्टूडियो है ना, वहाँ पे ऑडिशन चल रहा है. मैंने बोला ऑडिशन क्या होता है? बोला टेस्ट होता है, आप वहाँ पे जाओगे, आपके सामने कैमरा होगा, आपको स्क्रिप्ट दिया जाएगा और आपको एक्टिंग करना पड़ेगा. मैंने बोला अरे मैंने तो एक्टिंग कभी नहीं किया. अरे चलना मजा आएगा. वी वर इन फर्स्ट ईयर, वी वर 18 years old. तो चलना मजा आएगा. So 3-4 times we went. First time I was very nervous. I was sweating. I was literally sweating. I was like, I couldn't deliver the lines. It was that small a script, but I couldn't deliver the lines as soon as I saw the camera and lights. But second time, third time, then the third or fourth time, I think, they suddenly shortlisted me for this role, Kasauti. And I was like, मुझे मिल गया. मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या करूँगी, क्योंकि मैं I don't have knowledge about acting or education about acting, but जिंदगी ऐसी होती है ना, आपको पता नहीं होता है और वो चीज हो जाती है.
And I think those are the best things that.
Yeah, very mystic. Yeah.
एक चीज़ है, आप एक ट्रेंड कथक डांसर है जैसे कि आपने कहा, तो डू यू थिंक आप जब एक्टिंग के लिए आपने ऑडिशंस दिए, आपने कहा कि आप एक्टर कभी बनना नहीं चाहते थे, आपको लगता है कि बिकॉज यू हैव बीन अ ट्रेंड डांसर it helped you because you know basically you had those expressions and all
you
that
are
stuff.
very right. Yes, because any dancer, Kathak or Bharatnatyam या Bollywood या hip hop or any dancers they have to work around a lot with their expressions. Even a song is about expressing yourself, right? कोई भी गाना हो रहा है वो as a singer also you have to express yourself through your voice, and a dancer you have to express yourself through your body language and your face. तो शायद वो चीज़ मुझे थोड़ा हेल्प किया होगा. सो आई वॉज नॉट वेरी शाई और लाइक पता ही नहीं कैसे एक्टिंग करना होगा, तो it came out somehow.
You know, you were seen in the web series Naxalbari, and you know we are living in a day and age where OTT shows are, you know, shows on OTT platforms are, they have become a rage. You know, people are into binge watching crazily. आपको क्या लगता है कि as an actor ये जो मीडियम है कितना बेनिफिशियल है एक्टर्स के लिए? And would you say that these platforms are giving actors a chance to, you know, break out of character? मतलब बहुत अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स उनको प्ले करने का मौका मिल रहा है इसकी वजह से.
Absolutely, absolutely, आपने सही कहा. क्योंकि OTT या वेब सीरीज या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स या OTT फिल्म्स ये ज़्यादातर रियलिस्टिक चीज़ों पे फोकस कर रहा है. वेरी रियल. यू हैव टू प्ले वेरी रियल. ये टेलीविजन की तरह वो नहीं टिटिंग 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 ये सारी चीजें नहीं चलेगा वहाँ पे. सो एज एन एक्टर यू रियली गेट अ लॉट ऑफ चांस टू एक्सप्लोर एंड टू शो योर रियल टैलेंट. भले ही एक वेब सीरीज शायद 1 महीने या 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाता है, वेयर एज टेलीविजन शो, इफ यू आर बैगिंग अ टेलीविजन शो, इफ इट रन्स वेल एंड इफ योर लक इज गुड और द स्टोरी इज गुड और द ऑडियंस आर लाइकिंग इट, देन इट माइट रन फॉर 3 years 4 years like what happened with Uttaran, Balika Vadhu, lot of other shows. तो it's like a job, television shows. When you bag it, you are at least working for years. But for web, maybe you're doing it for a shorter time, like 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or whatever, but you can really play it being natural. That is another kind of adrenaline rush. जैसे टाइगर देख के adrenaline rush हुआ था, that's also another kind of adrenaline rush for an actor. I feel so.
But a very different kind of role in Naxalbari. I mean, normally what kind of shows that you did in the past, television shows, उससे बहुत different role था. So I'm sure there must have been a lot of preparation that went into it.
No, honestly, तो last year COVID में me and Michael we got stuck in Goa. We went for a yoga class, yoga session, and we got stuck in Goa. तो नक्सलबारी जब आया था ऑफर, दैट वाज इन जून लास्ट ईयर, फुल ऑन पैंडेमिक चल रहा था और उनको गोवा में शूट करना था बिकॉज गोवा वाज स्टिल ग्रीन एंड वी वर स्टक देयर. आई वाज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट टू टेक अप द रोल. आई वाज लाइक यार मुझे नहीं, मतलब मैंने हमेशा फेमिनाइन रोल किया है, जैसे आपने बोला है घरेलू बहू या नाइस फेमिनाइन वुमन, teenage girl or something like that. I don't know how to hold a gun and how to shoot. Michael was the one who convinced me that this is an opportunity in your life to play something different. It's always difficult to play something out of your comfort zone, but sometimes as an actor you should take that challenge and play out of your comfort zone. In that zone you're already comfortable playing a bahu or a daughter or a nice girl, sweet girl. But you have never played something like so rough without makeup and looking very rough, shooting people. So you should really take it up, and I somehow believed in him and I took it up, and I hope I did well.
You did, you certainly did. So 2 points I'm going to take out of that last answer that you gave. Firstly, you were really lucky that you got stuck in Goa during the lockdown. Secondly, I think Michael brought the best out of you.
Yeah, so, because he encouraged me to do something which is out of the plate and which I haven't done before.
How did you guys meet? You have been, dating for a while now, and so how did you guys meet?
We were in a restaurant, Mumbai में restaurant में थे. He's in India working for a German shipping company since last 4 years. तो 2.5-3 साल पहले हम लोग एक रेस्टोरेंट में टकराए, और जो बाद में हुआ वो मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ सबको, बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट फ्लर्टिंग विथ हिम, क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं अरे अच्छी लड़की है, घरेलू लड़की है, बीबी बहू के रोल अब तक प्ले किया है, ये फ्लर्ट भी कर सकती है. तो या बट आई कैन फ्लर्ट, एंड दैट्स हाउ द स्टोरी स्टार्टेड.
If I'm not wrong, you guys were going to get married last year, but you had to postpone it. So
because of COVID. And why because of COVID? Because his family is from Germany and my family is from India. So traveling was a huge issue. तो हमें पोस्टपोन करना पड़ा एटलीस्ट तब, जब तक ताकि हमें डबल वैक्सीन मिल जाए और दूसरी कंट्री में ट्रैवल कर सके और चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ा सके.
So can we say that no, it is going to happen soon now?
We are hoping for next year.
Okay, great. One interesting thing that I read somewhere that now Michael has started loving fish and roti and all that stuff. So how is the blending of culture? We were having lunch earlier, and you said that coincidentally he was saying that German food is very bland, and you were saying that you were appreciating German food. So how is this blending of cultures coming along?
Honestly, जब मैं 2 साल पहले उसके घर पे गई थी और खाना खाया, क्योंकि बाकी lot of other countries in Europe when I traveled, I had food and mostly I didn't like. I only liked food, some French dishes and some dishes in Budapest. But other countries के food मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया. In fact, I'm not even that big fan of Italian food. Lot of people love Italian food, pizza and pasta. मतलब lasagna जितना खिलाओ वो खाते जाते हैं. But I'm not that big fan of cheesy and Italian food. But उसके घर पे गई और जब खाना खाया तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ शादी कर सकते हैं इस इंसान से. At least खाना तो like not exactly similar like Indians. Obviously it has to be different, but it was yum and it was tasty, and the way his mom cooked it, it was really really nice and I loved it.
So I think you are a true blue foodie. We can call you a
foodie person. Yeah. अगर खाने में जम गया तो बोलते हैं ना कि दिल का रास्ता पेट से होता है. So खाने में अगर जम गया तो बात आगे बढ़ सकती है. Otherwise, no.
आप एक्टर है तो यू आर वेरी पैशनेट अबाउट एक्टिंग. जब कोविड लॉकडाउन हुआ पिछले साल तो इट टुक अ टोल ऑन all of us like emotionally, mentally, financially. हम लोगों ने कई सारे आर्टिकल्स पढ़े जहाँ पे एक्टर्स को भी बहुत तकलीफ हुई बिकॉज आपके शूट्स बंद हो गए हैं और आपको असाइनमेंट्स नहीं है. सो हाउ डिड यू कोप अप विद द प्रेशर बिकॉज आई एम श्योर इन द शो बिज देयर इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर. You know, you're out of
Immense.
sight, you're out of sight, you're out of mind. So how did you deal with that?
I would not say that because I like to be honest with my fans and honest with my people. I would not say that I coped up very well. Last year, 2020 was good for me because I was shooting Naxal Bari. Then I did another web show. Then I did a short film. It was good, but 2021 was not that good for me, honestly, and I'm sure for many actors, many. क्योंकि budgets इमीडिएटली लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा क्रैश कर गया. शोज़ कम हो गए. शोज़ शुरू होते ही बंद होने लग गया 2 महीने बाद बिकॉज एज सुन एज द फर्स्ट वेव वेंट आउट shows came up and then the second wave came in, then the shows got shut down again. It's a very difficult time for all actors and I'm sure for me as well, but that's life. And किस प्रोफेशन में इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं है. कहीं ना कहीं अगर इनसिक्योरिटी है, कहीं ना कहीं डर है, तो वो उसी का नाम जिंदगी है. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी है एंड यू आर सेल्फ सफिशिएंट इन एवरीथिंग, देन यू आर लाइक फीलिंग द सेम ऑल द टाइम. वो रश नहीं है ना फिर लाइफ में. सम अप्स एंड डाउन्स एंड अप्स एंड डाउन्स. वो रश, एड्रेनलिन रश अगेन. या आई एम अ एड्रेनलिन जंकी. तो वो फिर वो अलग थ्रिल होता है कि कभी बुरा टाइम है तो कभी फिर अच्छा टाइम आएगा, तो वो टाइम को आप रिलिश कर सकते हो, चेरिश कर सकते हो.
बट वाज इट सैटिस्फाइंग बिकॉज नहीं अब सब हम लोगों को सबके लिए यही था. इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट बस सब लोगों का यही सोशल मीडिया पे सब डाल रहे थे, यू नो, आई गॉट टाइम टू स्पेंड विद माय फैमिली एंड यू नो ऑल दैट स्टफ.
या डेफिनेटली. लाइक आई वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू से दैट एंड यू जस्ट ग्रैब्ड मी देयर. अगर मैं कोई टेलीविजन शो अभी कर रही होती तो could it be possible to come to Tathastu? Could it be possible to have this amazing trip with the wildlife? No. So sometimes it's really important that you are taking a break and taking a step away from your work, maybe because of the situation or anything, but you are taking a step back and you are spending time with your family and you are realizing how important these people are in your life. क्योंकि अदरवाइज हाँ ठीक है उसका बर्थडे है, मेरा बर्थडे है, हाँ चलो काम कर रहे हैं, शूट पे जा रहे हैं, वी आर शूटिंग 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 एवरी डे. व्हाट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हाट आर वी डूइंग? जस्ट अर्निंग मनी. Being close to your closed one is also very important.
एक चीज़ मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा कि आप you know you wear multiple hats as you said that you know you are trained Kathak dancer. I think if I'm not wrong you like singing as well.
But I'm not singing right now. Please don't ask
no,
me
you're
to
not
sing.
singing right now. I'm not going to ask you to sing. But and आपने मास मीडिया भी किया है, तो मुझे बस इतना आपसे पूछना था कि अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होते तो आप क्या होते?
जर्नलिस्ट.
आप जर्नलिस्ट होते.
तो फिर मैं आपकी कुर्सी पे होती.
और मैं वहाँ होता शायद.
आप अगर जर्नलिस्ट नहीं होते तो क्या होते?
I think I would have been an actor. I would have loved to be an actor.
We could have switched our seats.
I'm sure that you know your fans are waiting to know that you know they want to know what are projects that you have lined up. और वो आपको कहाँ देख पाएंगे, कब देख पाएंगे, तो आप उनके बारे में कुछ बताओ. Honestly,
very soon in TV back again. I'm sorry, but I might have to take a break from web shows, and I might have to go back to TV for a while. तो शायद कोई टेलीविजन शो पे, वो मैं डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकती हूँ. बट देयर इज वन फिल्म विच आई ऑलरेडी शॉट लास्ट ईयर विद अध्ययन सुमन, एनट्रैप्ड. That would be releasing very soon.
Okay.
That also we shot in Goa.
Okay.
End of that year.
Great.
2020.
Amazing. Okay, one last thing we'll do. I'll ask you some quick questions. As the name suggests, it is a rapid fire thing. So just one answer.
I'm very bad with rapid fire. I'm very bad.
I think I read that somewhere. That's why I'm bringing this up.
No, I'm very bad. You read somewhere, right? That I'm very
bad. That's why I'm bringing this up. Okay.
Like I need time to actually analyze, process questions and then answer.
So
for rapid
we'll
fire,
name it rapid slow fire round then.
Okay.
Okay, here's the rapid slow fire round. Tell me, who's your favorite actor?
Me.
No, other than you. That does not count.
That's so self-obsessed. No. Sorry, jokes apart. Favorite actor? Bollywood.
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone.
And in Hollywood, if you were to say somebody?
Bollywood, Deepika Padukone firstly, and Hollywood would be Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh, my favorite as well. Great,
Yeah?
amazing.
Yeah, he's very good.
And tell us about your favorite film. I mean, you can name it from one from Bollywood, one from Hollywood. Maybe.
Bollywood. मैं बहुत देसी इंसान हूँ दिल से एंड आई लव बॉलीवुड सो ऑल फिल्म्स आर वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट बट आई वुड से हम आपके हैं कौन.
हम आपके oh, love that movie.
Salman Khan looked the best in that movie.
Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing. Tell me, what are you binge watching right now? Is there anything that you're binge watching right now?
Recently, there is this Korean show named Squid Game on Netflix
Okay.
that me and Michael just finished. Before that, we were watching Homeland,
Okay.
another amazing series on terrorism, not terrorism. That's there on Hotstar.
Okay.
Really good. Homeland, people, you should really watch Homeland, and you can watch the Squid Game as well.
If you were given a chance to play one iconic character from any movie that has been made till date, what character would you play?
What was that? Ram Leela?
Yeah.
Leela. No, Deepika was playing.
Deepika.
Leela.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. तेरी जैसी कोई नहीं लीला. Yeah. Yeah, Leela. Lovely, like because the way she danced, the so graceful that role was. She's from some very graceful and royal family, so I felt that role is really graceful and she portrayed it.
So basically, you just love Deepika Padukone.
I just love
Is it
her.
because you both have dimples?
No, I think she's very pretty.
You know, you love traveling. You have been to so many places. आप यहाँ पे भी अभी आए तो what would you say is your favorite holiday destination?
Favorite holiday destination is in India for sure Kashmir and Goa, and definitely these kind of forests where you really get to see. Goa is more like touristic these days, so if you really want to feel raw and want to live basic life, not basic by means like no luxury, but be with the nature, raw life.
Basically, you can't have enough of Goa. You were there when the lockdown started.
And then still I'm like Goa. Because Goa has also these forests and hills and a lot of places. Goa is only known for beaches, but it's not only beaches. They have lovely forests, lovely hills, beautiful landscape. Then I would say, yeah, forest areas.
If there was just this one song that you would want to dedicate to Michael, what song that would be?
আমারও পরানো যাহা চায় তুমি তাই গো আমারও পরানো যাহা চায়. That means that's what my heart desires of. It's a Ravindra Sangeet. I'm a big fan of Ravindranath Tagore, and Arijit Singh beautifully sang that song. इसका मतलब है कि that's what my heart desires is you.
Amazing. So, bottom line, you know, if we want to get you to sing, we have to tell you that what song would you sing for Michael. Then you'll sing probably. All right, Shijita, thank you so much for talking to us at Dialogue at Nation Next. I hope, you know, whatever upcoming shows that you have, your audience loves it, your fans just love it like they have always loved it. And thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, it was lovely talking to Nation Next. Hope to catch you guys again soon in Tathastu and in again another wildlife safari to Pench. और वापस से हम अभी at least 3-4 tigers देखेंगे.
Surely. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Nation Next YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates from Nation Next. Also like Nation Next Facebook page and follow us on Instagram and Twitter.